Well, good evening. This is Rob here, Monrovia, California. Just doing a little video here. If you remember the Dietz little giant, I had to borrow a wick from the little wizard. Well, I am now well wicked. If you can see these, I got these three wonderful 5/8 wicks off of eBay. For anyone who wants the source, I can definitely email you a link to the seller. He's very good. These were $2.25 for three 5/8 wicks. They're approximately about a foot long or so. Anyways, they're very nice, brand new. So there we go. Now it's time for the little wizard, I mean the giant, to get its own wick, and for the wick in that to go back into the little wizard. So let's begin. Let's remove the globe here like thus. Go. Pull that out. Yeah, very good. Boom, there we go. Just like that. Couple twists. There we go. Brand new. Into the tank it goes, or the fount as it is called. Lickety split. Now let's let it soak up. I have some kerosene or lamp oil still in there, so we can let it soak up for a minute, and then it can get nice and ready to light, because you can't light these things until the wick is soaked up some kerosene. It just gets weird. Just kind of turns blue and doesn't, just sparks a little bit, nothing much. So once it's wet, of course, it's going to flame very well. Let's put the globe back. There you go, back together. All right, let's see here. That should be ready now. There we go. That's just lovely. You can, about there. You can see it's pretty bright. It is a cold blast, but just for the video's sake, we'll just keep it down so it won't blind you. There we are. Mission accomplished. The little giant, and what's next to it is, of course, the Victor, the earlier one I have from between the 1895 and 1897 period. It's just a spectator tonight. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the quick video, and definitely tune in again for the next installment. Leave a comment if you like what you see, any of the videos I've made. Definitely hit the subscribe button, and appreciate it. Take care. God bless. Have a good night.